Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common problem everybody facing in the house, office or anywhere you have the wash basin for the washing hands and then other necessary things. You can see here, check the pressure, water pressure. It's so high and it's very good. But the same thing, if I open here, I close the other water because the noise. If I open here, you can see there is too low pressure. It's come with the same pipe, but you can check the pressure here and then here. So normally we are facing the problems like that, but we don't know what we need to do or what is the actual problem. It's a simple thing that everybody can solve without any plumber or whatever. You can do by yourself. So what we need to do, normally this one getting rust inside or dirty pipes or any rusty things come in along to water. That's why the water pressure will slow, because there is a filter here to stuck the water. So what we need to do, we need to open this one first and then check if there is that issue or another issue. So we open first. So you can use any tool. For example, I'm just using here what I available in the house, the plier, and then I open this one. You can see here, if my camera can show you dust. And then now if we open, you can see the pressure. I open front of you, check the pressure. It's so high. So it means to say we have the problem with this filter. So we need to clean and then take out this one. Then you can see here, this one is full of the stones and dust. So we wash it first from the other sink. Then we need to wash properly. After cleaning all this filter, now we have to fix back. We just put back the same way, put the washer and then install it back. Then we tight. You can use proper tool if you have the tools. Now we try to on and then check the pressure. You can see the water pressure now. Before, how? Now you can see, check, it's same pressure. Both is running with the one pipe. So actually this problem is very small, but you don't know how to solve it. So it's a simple thing, just take out this one and then clean it properly and then fix back. It's a simple work, just 2 to 3 minutes you can take out and then easily you can solve your problem. If you hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.